Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you how I do my fox boho locks, and as you can see, this is my braid pattern. Yeah, this individual's in the front, and then I got it braided in the back. And so I'm just showing you the products that I used before I get started. That was some leave-in conditioning spray and then some oil. And now this is just me showing you how I made a one full length braid using 2 individual strands of hair. So you kind of just see how I'm just tying it at the end to give that length that I'm looking for. So I tie, you want to tie it really tight. I'm the type of person that I really want to pull on my hair. It's going to be out for a majority of the time, so I didn't care to put any glue on it. But if you want it for a long lasting style, you would want to put some glue on it at the tip of the knot that you make with the 2 strands. And so I'm just gonna show y'all how I install my locks. It's really simple. Now that there's so many videos on how to crochet in hair, I just kind of want to show you how the back of my hair looks. I did a full braid at the back just in case when I put it in the ponytail, it covers up that space that you see. I kind of go up some just so it's not so much pulling and tugging where the part is at. Crocheting this hair was pretty difficult because the loose hair, I could not get through the loop, and I didn't have a mirror to see the back of my head, so I did the best that I could. But overall, the look turned out really beautiful. So just keep watching so you can see the end results. And thank y'all guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all on my next video. Uh-oh, that's my little baby. Time for me to go. Bye.
I keep winning, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I did 100 bands. I keep winning, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I did 100 bands. Sick boy, baby, baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I did 100 bands. I keep winning, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I did 100 bands. I keep grinding, while we like we shining. Driving in the car, then you know I might be swerving. Doing too big, we ain't gonna ball fun, กูไม่จริงแต่กูประกับตัวเองไม่มีอะไรที่มันจะไม่จริงเพราะกูเชื่อมันว่า how to pay off. Different city gonna go back and forth. I hop out the jet, feel that I'm the boss. I'm in my new house, like a cop the park. Hear the melody, show you wrong, sit with me, bro, told me. If we didn't make move, we could make money. I keep winning, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I did 100 bands. I keep winning, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I did 100 bands. To pull up, I'm a dance job. I don't give a where you came from. Hey baby girl, who you waiting for? What a VVS, I'm a quiet call. Go to rock, just my little cool. Make it out of hood, tell me man do. Everybody know my name when they come through. Getting lit, big grip, no more blues. I do. Take good time. I'm gonna be a big star one day. Get rich and get paid, babe.
Okay guys, so how I did my individuals, I basically used the wrapping method. I got some kinky twist braid hair. It's called Marley style, and I just pretty much looped the end of my hair inside the loop of the fox boho lock, and then I would crochet my hair into the, I don't know how to explain it, to the root of my hair, and you can kind of just see it right here. If you look, you can kind of see what I'm doing. And so I just extended the the lock a little bit just so I could be able to cover up my hair as I'm twisting it around until I get to, I don't know how to explain it, guys, but if you just watch, you can kind of just see how I'm doing it. This was the best method for me. Uh-oh, baby. This was the best method for me because I could not pull my twist in between a lot like I see a lot of videos. It was hard for me. You can see my hair poking out, and I just decided to go with this method. It was much easier and it flowed a bit better for me. So yeah, guys, that's how I did it.
I hop out of jet, feel that I'm the boss. I'm in my new house, like a cop the park. Hear the melody, show you around, sit with me, bro, tall me. If we can make move, we can make money. I keep winning, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I need 100 bands. I keep winning, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I need 100 bands. To pull up, I must dance job. I don't give a where you came from. Hey, baby girl, who you waiting for? What are we with S? I'm a quiet call. Good job, to me, go. Make it out of hood, tell me, man, do. Everybody know my name when they come through. Getting lit, big grip, no more blues. I do. Take good time. I'm gonna be a big star one day. Get rich and get paid, baby. I keep winning, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I need 100 bands. I keep winning, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I need 100 bands. Good time. I'm gonna be a big star one day. Get rich and get paid, baby. I keep winning, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I need 100 bands. I keep winning, 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 yeah. I keep winning, 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 yeah. You see me shining, 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 yeah. I need 100 bands.
They finna know the name. The shit you putting out would be so ashamed, boy. Everybody got a version of the story, yeah, you know what I've been through, but you don't know the pain, boy. See, I got dreams of being rich, probably why I feel like the king in this. Hating dudes don't mean the thing, and that's it. The team in this came to get lit, ayy. Finna make a movie, Steve Spilly. What you boys talking ain't for really. I'm here to stop all the fake shit, and if they wanna stop me, they gon' have to kill me. But silly me for thinking they give me brain like a thinking cap, and that brain got me thinking fast. The game should be reattached. So far in the future, man, I can see my past. And all that hate, I really needed that, but when you reverse, it's hard to see who had better days. I'm on my grind as the weather change. That winter heat and that summer rain, girl, this is a numbers game. You know that numbers don't lie, but I play the game like I got extra lives. I never die. Yeah, they finna know the name. The shit you putting out would be so ashamed, boy. Everybody got a version of the story, yeah, you know what I've been through, but you don't know the pain, boy. See, I got dreams of being rich, probably why I feel like the king in this. Hating dudes don't mean the thing.